Hello everybody. Today is a very special day because I am unboxing my first Chanel purse. I've done my research with this bag, so I know exactly what to look out for to notice if it is a dupe or not. And my parents just got back from China, and while they were in China, my mom was like, "What do you want?" And of course, I was like, I want a Chanel bag. So, in true Eastern European fashion, she got me a Chanel dupe bag where they do it best in China. From what I've heard, she looks exactly like the true Chanel double flat bag, which goes for $12,000. But my mom got this for only $150, and it is 100% leather, so the quality is definitely there. Let's open her. I am confident in my fraud detection skills. Okay, first of all, I think they deserve some points for the bag being in an actual box that replicas Chanel. It also comes with a duster. Oh, the box is full. I think the quality of the duster is a little cheap. It's like polyester, but nevertheless, it's protecting the bag. Pretty good so far. I would like to point out that this was in the box, so it does come with a little certification. So funny. It's like, why do I need a certification if it's not even real? Okay, back to the purse. All right, first thing to point out, the leather looks really good. It's very soft and it is 100% lambskin. So it's nice that the quality is still there, even though it is a dupe. It has the back pocket, which is a signature pocket that comes with the real Chanel bag. Let's open her. Supposedly, this is where Miss Chanel would put her love letters. And I guess it's where I'll be putting mine, since apparently there is no room for anything else in this teeny tiny little pocket here. Another thing I want to point out is that you can obviously tell if it's a dupe if the stitching is off, but on this bag, the stitching actually lines up with really well with all these diamonds. As you can see, it like right here on the fold, it almost like lines up perfectly on each one. All right, so this is the double flap. Let's take a look inside. I do feel like this logo is done very well. It looks legit to me, except for the stamp. I feel like it's a little bit lower. I feel like the original one's a little bit higher. And I also feel like it's just not very clean the way they did the stamp. It says made in France. One thing I do want to point out about the double C logo is the stitching right here. It's really hard to tell, but the original bag has 4 stitches, and this bag, since it's a dupe, it only has 3. So it's like very minor details when it comes to like how to tell if this bag is a fake or not. But if you've done your research, you would know. But obviously, it's not like anyone's really going to be looking. And I'm sure most people don't even know the difference, especially when it's a bag this close to the real deal. We also have the Chanel Paris here, which is printed very clean. And these bolts right here, which look exactly like the real bolt. These pockets all look pretty legit. So all Chanel bags come with like a serial number, and this is the serial number of this bag. I don't really know anything about the actual numbers. Like I don't know how to depict what kind of number this is, but it's supposed to be the year that the bag was made. But it's nice that it has this, even though it's probably like some fake numbers on there. So far, the inside of the bag looks really good. There's also this pocket right here. And the only thing I would say is that the color on this, I feel like it's a little bit more purple than the actual Chanel bag. I think the real Chanel bags are a little bit more red, like a little bit more burgundy. This is almost like a deep violet or a deep purple. We also have the Chanel print on the button right here, which also looks pretty clean. And all the stitching and the diamonds look really legit. Let's peel this off because this is going to be a pretty big giveaway. I think the shape of the C's look really good. The corners look really good. They're almost just like, I would say, a little bit too shiny. I feel like the real Chanel bags, they're not this shiny. So that might be like a little bit of a giveaway. Too shiny, showing us like fake. Let's unbox the straps. All right, I would say the same thing with the straps. They just look extra shiny, and I feel like the hardware on the real Chanel bags are not this shiny, although it does look very sturdy. All right, so overall, I would give this bag like a 9 out of 10 when it comes to how legitimate it looks to a Chanel bag. I would say the biggest giveaway for me is the shininess on the hardware. But I mean, all the pockets check out. The cut looks good. I think also the color on the inside is also just like throwing me off a little bit. But other than that, I think that it's a really good dupe for the price. And it's real leather. So I feel like you're still getting a really good quality bag. Oh, oh, my bars just went up. 2026 me, watch out. I'm gonna rock it like it's the real thing because you know you gotta fake it before you make it. You can take the girl out of Eastern Europe, but you can't take the Eastern European out of the girl. Let me know in the comments if you would rather buy a purse for $12,000 or if you'd rather put that money in the bank and get yourself a dupe for $150. I'm personally not like a huge purse girly, but you know, it doesn't hurt to stunt on these hoes from time to time. Happy holidays. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.